Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best joiners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hotech 6-inch benchtop jointer, the most budget-friendly option on our list. With a 10.6 amp motor and a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM, this jointer is geared toward beginners or hobbyists who need a basic tool for light-duty work. Its maximum cutting width of 6 inches and adjustable cutting depth up to 3 millimeters make it capable of handling small projects effectively. The design is compact yet functional, featuring stable left and right tables that measure 340 millimeters and 330 millimeters in length, respectively. While not as robust as higher-end models, the durable construction ensures that it can withstand occasional use. However, at just 24 pounds, its lightweight build may compromise stability for larger or denser wood pieces. Now, let's talk about the trade-offs. While it's a great entry-level option, its 2.8-star customer rating reflects some concerns about durability and precision, particularly for professional applications. That said, if you're new to woodworking or need a jointer for small, straightforward tasks, this is a cost-effective choice. Pros include its affordability, compact size, and ease of assembly, while cons include its limited power and lower precision. Ideal for beginners on a tight budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Hotech 10-inch benchtop planer and jointer combo. This versatile machine combines 2 essential woodworking tools into one, making it a great option for those who want to save space and maximize functionality. Powered by a 13-amp motor and featuring a no-load speed of 9,000 RPM, this unit is ready to tackle heavy-duty projects. It offers a maximum cutting width of 10 inches and adjustable depths for both the jointer up to 3 millimeters and planer up to 2 millimeters. The design includes a sturdy stand for enhanced stability and a generous table setup, 37.3 inches by 10 inches for the jointer and 10.6 by 12 inches for the planer. It also boasts a feeding speed of 6 meters per minute, ensuring consistent and smooth material handling. However, at 85 pounds, it's not very portable, so it's better suited for a stationary workshop. With a 3.1-star rating, the Hotech Combo tool has mixed reviews. While users appreciate its versatility and robust motor, some have reported issues with its build quality and alignment precision. Pros include its dual functionality, powerful performance, and spacious working surface, while cons involve its weight and mediocre precision for fine-tuning. It's ideal for intermediate woodworkers who need both a jointer and planer without breaking the bank. Taking the number 3 spot is the Craftsman CMEW020 benchtop joiner. Known for its balance of features and affordability, this joiner is powered by a 10-amp motor and delivers up to 22,000 cuts per minute, making it ideal for both hard and soft woods. The variable speed control, ranging from 6,000 to 11,000 RPM, allows you to adjust the speed based on the material you're working with. What sets this joiner apart is its center-mounted fence, which provides excellent support for precise edge joining. The 2-knife cutter head features a jack-screw knife leveling system for easy blade replacement and adjustments. Its 4.25-inch wide fence and 31.5-inch table length strike a good balance between portability and functionality. Though at 40 pounds, it's not the lightest option. With a 4.3-star rating, the Craftsman CMEW020 is well regarded for its reliability and ease of use. Pros include its variable speed control, robust motor, and accurate cutting performance, while cons involve its smaller table size and occasional difficulty with blade alignment. This joiner is best suited for hobbyists and advanced DIYers who need a dependable tool for a variety of woodworking projects. At number 2, we have the WEN JT833H 6-inch spiral benchtop jointer. This model strikes a perfect balance between affordability and performance. Powered by a 10-amp motor, it features a spiral cutter head system with 12 staggered HSS blades, ensuring an ultra-fine finish. The 30 by 6-inch table provides ample space for your projects, while the adjustable fence bevels up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. One standout feature is its ability to remove up to 1/8 inch material per pass, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized projects. The cast iron base adds stability, while the onboard depth of cut scale and included push blocks enhance usability. At just under 37 pounds, it's portable enough for smaller workshops, but sturdy enough for reliable operation. With a 4.6-star rating, the JT630H is praised for its precision and ease of use. Pros include its spiral cutterhead, stable design, and excellent value for the price. The main con is its smaller cutting width, which may not be sufficient for larger projects. This jointer is ideal for hobbyists and semi-professionals who prioritize smooth finishes and reliable performance on a budget. Finally, at the #1 spot, we have the WEN JT833H 12-inch spiral benchtop jointer, the premium option on our list. Designed for serious woodworkers, this jointer features a powerful 12-amp motor and a spiral cutterhead with 24 staggered HSS blades, delivering flawless 12-inch wide cuts. The spacious 34 by 12 and 3/16-inch cast iron table can be extended up to 54 inches, making it perfect for large projects. This jointer excels in versatility, with an adjustable fence that bevels up to 45 degrees and a cutting depth of up to 1/8 inch per pass. At over 102 pounds, this machine is built like a tank, offering unparalleled stability. It also comes with onboard depth of cut scales, 2 push blocks, and dust ports for both 2.5-inch and 4-inch hoses. With a 4.4-star rating, the JT1224H is celebrated for its precision, durability, and expansive work area. Pros include its powerful motor, ultra-fine finish, and extendable table, while cons are its higher price point and heavyweight design. This jointer is best for professionals and advanced hobbyists who demand the best performance and are willing to invest in a premium tool. And for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.